Blender 5.0 introduced huge workflow changes, but for many artists, it also removed years of muscle memory and fast workflow habits. Restoration Suite brings that classic Blender speed back with smarter controls, layer style collection toggles, classic auto smooth, node paste restoration, and powerful cleanup tools, all built directly into Blender 5.0. One of the biggest features is the restored layer system. In Blender 5.0, number keys were disconnected from collection visibility, but Restoration Suite brings that classic workflow back. Simply press 1 through 9 to instantly toggle collections, or hold Alt plus a number to solo a collection and only focus on that layer. This add-on also restores the classic auto smooth workflow. Instead of manually managing modifiers, you can simply toggle auto smooth directly from the end panel and adjust the angle instantly. Another huge quality of life improvement is node paste in place. Normally Blender 5.0 pastes nodes at your mouse cursor, which can ruin organized node trees. Restoration Suite automatically restores nodes to their original position using normal copy and paste shortcuts. Before rendering or exporting, you can use deep purge data to recursively remove hidden orphans, data blocks, and clean unnecessary scene clutter in one click. It's a fast way to keep Blender files lighter, cleaner, and more production ready. Restoration Suite is designed to bring back the fast, intuitive Blender workflow artists loved, while still fully supporting Blender 5.0 and modern production pipelines.